like? It's serious business.
This one is real. Like, this is my lane. Alright. She wakes up with a smile, disguised a deep scar, so the world would never know she walks around with a broken heart and know he's in her life. She's afraid to be apart, cause if she gives them the green light, she fears to leave it in the dark. So there's arguing and fighting, and she's bickering all night, and she tries to hold her head, but inside she is dying, and though she wants to love, the fear is underlying. She constantly tries to erase the thoughts of herself, that the feeling in her chest is bad for her health. The love is the poison which develops the mind, silence in the judgment of the heart to view it was sublime. See, he embodies everything that she longs for, and his body is everything she goes strong for, but she's been hurt so much that all she feels is fear, and she's afraid to up to now, cause once it's present it disappears.
Shit, that was ill though.
Hey, what's good? We over here with, what's your name, honey?
Aaliyah Nicholas.
Aaliyah Nicholas, and she's a new artist, up and coming, doing a lot of great things. We were just over here listening to music. It sounds wonderful. She does a lot of singing, and she's mostly a singer, right?
Yes.
But you can rap a little bit too.
Yes, I wouldn't necessarily call myself a rapper or commit to that genre, but when a beat speaks to me and if I feel the need to rap on it, I can definitely out a good 16.
Yeah, of course you can, but you don't know how to turn your phone off when you're doing an interview.
Tell me that. I'm sorry, I can't really talk right now, but I'm in Queens. I'm actually doing an interview right now. But yeah, just bring them to the house and thank you so much. Okay, bye.
Just letting you know that all of this will be in your interview.
Really?
Just to show. So the next person that decides to, this is a warning for the next person that decides to do an interview with Aaliyah Nicholas. Make sure you tell her to turn her freaking phone off. Yeah.
Okay, it's on
This is punishment. This is punishment. Well, let me turn my phone off too.
Yeah. Oh, your phone should have went off. That is sick.
Yeah. How about that? So let's all act like professionals. All right. Now, where were we? We were talking about rap and singing and the differences and the vibes and stuff like that.
Yes. Well, as I was saying that, if need be, I definitely can lay down to 16. I just wouldn't commit to the genre of rapping. But I am an all-around artist. I like to work with many different styles and many different genres. It's just what I feel in my heart. I can do it.
How long have you been doing this? How long have you been into music?
Oh, how long have I been into music? Since young, since very young. My father playing guitar, singing to me and my brothers and sisters. And I would, me and my homegirl, who I'm still friends with to this day, Crystal, we would dance to TLC No Scrubs, 3rd grade, performing in front of my class.
Oh wow, so 3rd grade, so that means you're still young. 3rd grade with TLC No Scrubs, brother. Oh my God.
Yes.
Oh, so what does that make you? What? 19?
Yes, I am 19 years old. Yes.
Wow.
I started really performing, like it's singing in front of people, singing in front of crowds. You know, the next grade up, 4th grade, I was singing in front of my class, in front of my cluster, which is 3 or 4 classes combined. You know, do stuff like that. But music has always been with me.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a little quick little music video for everyone, so they can get to see you and get to know you and hear who you are. And can you tell us a little bit about this song that you're gonna be shooting?
Well, I'm going to be shooting Death of Love Symphonies. This song hits home. I wrote it when I was going through it in a past relationship, and it was just how I was feeling at that time. I write my feelings, I write my emotions, and at that time it was Death of Love Symphonies. It was death of our love and the music that I would write for our relationship. So that song reflects my past relationship.
Okay. Alright, so it was definitely nice talking to you and doing this interview. We're gonna start setting up shop for this music video here. And I guess everyone that's looking at you now through interview will be looking forward to more and hearing more from you. So I'll shut up with my annoying voice and I'm cutting out all of this nonsense.